The rock of randomness, using chemistry to speak digital, capturing data in the chemical attributes of a lump of matter, using a 3D printer with a random input in order to build rocks that are assembled from various ingredients. The printed ingredients have different degrees of conductivity: high conductivity, medium conductivity, low conductivity, and as a result, because they are assembled in a random fashion, then the reading of the resistance between two arbitrary points will be a random measurement. The randomness that goes into the construction of the lump is translated to the reading of particular resistance between two particular points. And if we put several measuring points or ports on the lump, then we will get a large number of possible readings, possible measurements that reflects attributes of this rock. And if we have n points of measurements on the rock and assign p of the n to the positive pole of a battery and q to the negative, then we have so many options as represented by this formula that proves that the number of measurements extracted from a single rock is astronomical. And all the measurements, all of them, are randomized, unpredictable. Why? Because the rock was assembled from a high quality random input that decided how the ingredients are being assembled together into the rock. The process of extracting data from the rock is a one-way function, namely, given the set of measurements and even the position of the poles and the ports from where they were read, we don't have any technology today that will construct a rock that will fit into a set of measurements. So, given the rock, we can extract measurements. Given measurements, we cannot extract a rock. So, a lump can be manufactured, measured, the data can be put on a network server and published for public consumption. So anyone presented with a material entity claimed to be that rock will readily verify it by taking measurements of the electrical conductivity through the various ports, compare the measured data to the data from the server, and if it agrees, if the comparison is positive, that entity, that piece of matter, is the exact matter that was manufactured and not a counterfeit. The rock of randomness, preliminary lab work done, underlying IP awarded, onward. Thank you for your attention.